Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to turn off notifications on Patreon. So if you also want to turn off notifications on Patreon, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.patreon.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Patreon. Make sure you logged into your account. Now at the left you'll be able to see several options. What you have to do is click on the settings option that you can see at the last. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several settings options over here. You can see option for account, team, apps, podcast and audio, email notifications, billing and payouts. What you have to do is go to the second last option, that is email notifications. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see that notifications are enabled for these options right over here. What you have to do is toggle this button right next to the option for the notification that you want to turn off. If you want to turn off all the notifications, toggle all the button. Now your notifications will be turned off. So that is how you turn off notifications on Patreon. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.